Hello, you're watching The Market Bull. I'm Rebecca Marsh, and our guest today who joins us in the studio is Michael Minosora, the chairman at Siguiri Gold. Michael, welcome.
Thank you, Rebecca.
So, Michael, I'll just get you to start by giving us an update on Siguiri's IPO.
The IPO has proceeded pretty well. As we informed investors earlier on during the week, we're waiting on ASX conditional approval for listing. And I also remind investors that a condition of our prospectus is that we'll have new permits issued prior to closing. Now, we expect all that to happen over the next few weeks leading towards the end of September.
So, Michael, there seems to be some question marks surrounding the permitting situation in Guinea. Just paint a picture of what's going on there at the moment.
Yeah, I think what you're probably referring to there, Rebecca, is that over the last week or so, there's been some companies reporting that permitting's been delayed, few things have slowed down there. What actually has happened is that earlier in the year, in about March, following the appointment of a new Minister of Mines, the Minister made a good decision to suspend the cadastre, which is essentially the mining title system in Guinea, and suspend acceptance of new applications for permits, all to allow the ministry time to get their back office in order. We commend that decision because as stakeholders, all stakeholders need to have confidence in the system. The Minister recognised the need to be work to bring their system up to a global standard, and I'm pleased to hear only in the last few days that the cadastre will be up and running again within the next week or two. New applications will be accepted in the next week or two, and I'm confident our permits will be granted by the end of September.
And lastly, are there any operational updates that we should be aware of for the company?
We're very active in Guinea, as you imagine. As I've mentioned in other occasions, we have a great team in Guinea. They've been busy on a number of operational issues, including getting to site our sample plant, which we expect to be constructed and commissioned during the month of September and operating sometime in October. That's a big positive. And our work in looking for other opportunities continue. So whilst we here are doing the corporate side, they're very much focused on the operational side.
Michael, it sounds like everything is heading in the right direction. We look forward to hearing another update from the company soon.
Thank you, Rebecca.